Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
What going, guys? We saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. If you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video. You know how I come with the hair reviews and that, you know, I keep it real and whatever. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a hair review for you guys and showing you guys me installing the hair. Doing a hair review with Luvme hair. You guys know I actually love their hair. As I said, like, I feel like if I'm to recommend my favorite company is Luvme hair. So make sure you check them out because their texture of hair is really nice. And the other ones that I've done as well. This is the first company I ever bought hair off actually. So I'd recommend you guys to check out Luvme hair. I'm going to show you guys the hair, tell you the information, then show you guys me installing it. As you guys can see, straight bob hair, 10 inches. Yes girlfriend, me looking at the wig kind of gonna slay it. But yeah, so the wig is 10 inches straight bob hair, very soft as you guys can see, but obviously you'll see when I've installed it in my head. So it looks very, I like the look of it already, and it's not even on me. It looks already pre-plucked, you know. This is what I love about this company's hair. I'm so sorry, they never failed to impress me. This hair came with pre-plucked hair, so I don't need to worry about plucking it, because usually I pluck the hair. If you guys have not seen my last video, which is the bomb red hair, bomb cherry hair, make sure you go check it out. With that hair, it wasn't pre-plucked, but I still managed to work with it, and I felt to go for the look with no edges. But I feel like for today's look, I think I'm going to do edges for this hair. I think I'm going to do edges. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's already, I don't know if you guys can see, it's already pre-plucked. Yeah, it's already pre-plucked. Love it. So timing, I could say I could say a week or so. I could say a whole week. Yeah, I'd say a whole week. I feel like it took a whole week for me personally. I'm gonna check and make sure, if anything I leave it on the screen, but I pretty much feel like it was a week. So it's 7 days, which is fine. Usually it's like 5 to 7 working days, so that's fine. Just that, you know, as I said, different companies, different, depending on where they're based and stuff, will depend on how long it will take to get to you. But for me, it was 7 days. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. You know, I wasn't like, where's my parcel? Where's the hair? You know what I'm trying to say? Very soft, very soft. Listen, guys, I'm going to be real with you guys. We need to slay together, girlfriends. We need to slay together. So if I'm telling you this information, take it in, because I'm a real bitch, and I'm gonna tell you this information, and we gonna slay together. We gonna slay together. Do you know what I'm trying to say? And I tell you this information because I love you guys. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I don't want any of us being out here getting finessed with peas. First of all, you're spending money on so much hair, on a wig and hair, and it ain't all of that. As in, when you're moving your head, the wig ain't moving with you. Like, the hair needs to move with you. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Cool. Second of all, we cannot be getting finessed out here. As I said, like, cool, the hair texture could be really good and really expensive. So I guess it is worth it, but there's some textures where the hair is bomb and the price is bomb. Now, let me tell you this. This Luvme hair company, their prices are affordable. And that's on period. Most of the hair companies that I buy hair from are affordable. So yeah, just remember that. If you guys want to know the pricing and stuff like that, you guys can DM me, snap me, whatever, and I'll let you guys know more information and specific prices. I have a discount code as well, so it'll be here on the screen somewhere. Make sure you guys use my discount code because it'll be helpful. That's what I'm trying to say. So I do these hair reviews for you guys because I don't want you guys to get finessed. It's not even just the fact of getting finessed and paying more money for something that's not worth it, or do you know what I'm trying to say? I just do it so if you feel like you've seen the hair that you like, you've seen the texture, you see me slay it, and you're like, yeah, that hair can look bomb on me, girlfriend, do your thing. You know that's the wig that you need to get. Do you know what I'm trying to say? It has 10 inches straight bob wig, frontal, pre-plucked, took 7 days to arrive. But yeah, I feel like that's pretty much the information about this hair. I feel like it is time for me to slay this wig, because the way I'm looking right now, I just need a wig on my head, and that's on period. So I mean, like, if you're moving, the hair should move with you anyway. Cool. So I'm going to get straight into this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, you know how the thing said. I'm gonna make sure you like, comment, subscribe before we get into this video. Yeah, You can pause it if you want, yeah? Make sure you hit that red subscribe button. It's going to be somewhere here on the screen. It's going to be over here or over here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. And make sure you put my notifications on so you don't miss any videos at all, because I'm not going to be just doing hair reviews. I'm going to be doing mixed videos, but there will definitely be a lot of hair reviews for you guys, just in case you want to be getting different types of hair or different types of textures, or do you know what I'm trying to say? I'm gonna keep it real for you guys. I'm gonna keep it fun. I'm gonna keep it all of that. Let's just get straight into the video. So guys, this is the final look, y'all. Girlfriend, y'all didn't think I was gonna slay like this. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You know the things said I'm gonna make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'm actually so happy with how the look went. The information about any type of hair you want to get or whatever, make sure you message me, make sure you DM me, email me, whatever. As you guys can see, I went for like the baby hair look, the American baby hairs, kind of basic, as you guys can see. I love this hair. You guys can see it's very soft. I managed to slay it. Listen guys, I'm too gassed right now, too gassed. But yeah guys, so make sure you follow my hair page. I'm going to start going back to business. Obviously I kind of stopped because of like college and everything was just getting a bit too much, but I'm back. So if you guys want to get your hair done, make sure you message me on my page. Follow my page. It will be over here or it'll be over here, whichever side, or the name will be on the screen. Make sure you follow my hair page. I do installing, customizing, wig making, and yeah, I can do corners underneath the hair as well. So make sure you follow my hair page, otherwise you're missing out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You know the things said or whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope to see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.